Hi! In this video, you will learn how to use the new functionality surface locking introduced with MC1 version 6.5. We show this using a dozer, but it works the same way for excavators and graders. When surface locking is active, MC1 will lock the machine's toolpath and create a surface lock. We can visualize this surface lock on the panel as a heat map, making it easy for the operator to see what the situation is on the ground. The heat map colors show the difference between the locked height and the target height. We will show how easy it is for the operator to define the settings for these tolerances and colors. We can display the surface lock heat map on the 3D view and on the top views of the run screen, and of course hide the surface lock using the command center show height function under as built data. First, we need to check we have set how many colors we want in the map, define the distances between the color boundaries, and finally which grid size will visualize the surface lock. For this we go to Menu, As Built, Surface Locking, and press on Grid Visualization. We can choose between two different grid sizes or a solid colored surface. The large grid size is 100 centimeters or 40 inches. The small grid size is 50 centimeters or 20 inches. In this case, we choose the large grid size of 100 centimeters. Next, we press here to edit the color scheme and start by choosing how many colors to use on the heat map. We select 5 and press on the Next Page button. Here we can change the individual tolerance colors and the distances between them. Before you do that, you should consider how these colors would work together with the color settings in your cut fill display. Let's start with a blue tolerance color and change it to yellow, and then change the orange to purple. Let us also change the boundaries between two of the colors. The boundary number between yellow and light blue is now set to 22 centimeters. We press on the flag, the tick mark, and the X button to return to the run screen. Now that we have defined how to visualize the surface lock on the run screen, we need to activate surface locking. To do this, we press and hold on the lock button. The As-Built Locking dialog pops up where we press the surface lock icon. Then press the lock button. The pop-up closes and a yellow locking label appears above the lock button. The yellow label means surface locking is now enabled, but in paused mode. To start this surface locking, we press on the lock button again. The green locking label shows that surface locking is active, and we can see the surface lock grid and colors on the run screen. Here is an expert tip. On an excavator, you can also engage surface locking using an external button connected to the docking station. On machines with hydraulic control, the surface locking can be activated together with hydraulic auto. For this, we go to the Menu, As Built menu, and check the Lock-in Auto checkbox. Now the surface locking will automatically follow the auto mode of the machine. When the machine is in auto mode and the blade is within the elevation window, locking is active, and when the blade is outside the elevation window, locking is inactive. That's it. You have learned how to visualize and activate surface locking in MC1. Thanks for watching.